Hi everyone, I am back for another TC Pro M video. That is the ThermoCook Pro M by Froothie. And today I thought I'd show you how to use the dough function, which is the kneading function, which you use to make bread. So I'm actually going to do some coconut milk bread rolls. I'm going to add this. This is Pandan extract. It is sort of like an Asian vanilla. It adds a green tinge to your recipes. It has kind of like a floral flavor. Obviously, you can omit it, I know it's hard to find. You can add vanilla instead, you can add whatever extracts you want, but I'm going to show you how I'm going to weigh all the ingredients in the TC Pro itself and let it do the job for me in 2 minutes instead of manual kneading for 25 minutes. If you've made bread before, you know how taxing it is on the arms, and I'm not very strong, so hopefully the TC Pro answers all my bread baking queries. So let's go. I'm actually going to point the camera down so that you can see the ingredients being weighed into the bowl itself. Let's go. Okay, first we turn it on. There you go, it's turned on. Now I'm going to have a look at my recipe, which is on my phone. Okay, first ingredient, 350 grams of flour. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to press weight. And we are going 350 grams. $165. I need to open another bag of flour. Uh-huh. 350 grams. Okay, next up. Press it again for the next ingredient. 75 grams of sugar. How simple is this, honestly? 75 on the dot. Okay, I'm going to be using tinned coconut milk. If you can see, if my camera focuses. And into this, I'm going to be adding 185 grams. So let's do this. Coconut milk smells so nice. Perfect. Okay, what's next? Salt. So when it comes to salt, it's just my personal preference that I use teaspoons instead of grams, because sometimes weighing scales cannot actually pick up such a small amount of ingredients. So for this, I'm just going to be using a teaspoon. Let's go back to this. Okay. So a heaping half a teaspoon of salt. Let's see if it can weigh it anyway. See, that's what happens with salt, because it's just so light that most scales can't pick it up, but I experienced that with my regular scale as well. Okay, what's next? We're going to put 30 grams of margarine or non-dairy spread. Let's just press weight again just to make sure. 30 grams. That's 15. 35. All right. No one ever complained about a little bit more butter in the recipe. Okay, I'm gonna put my Pandan paste in here. Just a little bit. And actually, I think it's all done. So I've actually attached the blade cover into the TC Pro M. I'm sorry I didn't show you, but the blade cover is what is going to be doing the kneading for me. Now I'm just gonna put the cover on and we'll be back and I'll show you how it goes. I forgot to mention the yeast. The yeast is the most important bit of making bread. Thank goodness I remembered it. I'm gonna add it in now, 1 sachet of instant yeast, which is about 7 grams. And once I chuck this in, we're gonna turn the machine on. Okay, now that all the ingredients are inside, I've chucked the lid on. Let's press dough. Don't know if you can see, but it is actually kneading, and it set itself to 7 minutes. I'm just going to let the machine do its thing. I know you can do it in 2 minutes as well, but because the TC Pro comes with a dough function, I'm just going to let it do it for me. I don't have to worry. Come back once the dough is done after 7 minutes and I will show you how I'm gonna prepare my bread rolls. So I'll see you then. Okay, the machine's turned off because my dough is ready. So let's have a look. I'm just gonna put you down here for a second. Gosh. Super easy to take off the lid. And you just press this. Take it out. I'm going to show you my dough. Perfectly kneaded. It's a sticky dough, so don't worry. What I do is I get a bowl that is oiled liberally, and then I'm going to just pour this out. So I'll do that right now, and then I'm going to cover it with cling film and let it rise for an hour and a half. So I'll be back when I've done that. Okie dokie, here's my dough. Like I said, if you oil the bowl, you won't have to add extra flour even if you have a sticky dough. I'm now going to cover it in cling film and I'll show you when it's risen and when we make the buns. Look at how much they've risen! Now they're going to go into the oven and I will show you what they look like when they're done. Okay everyone, I'm back and my bread is done, so I'm so excited. Hot. So there you have it. Can you see it? Come on, focus. There we go. They look really good. I cannot wait to try them, and I think I might just tear one apart to show you how fluffy it is, because the test of good bread, hello focus, the test of good bread, of course, is the crumb and, you know, ensuring that the gluten has formed, blah de blah de blah. So if we're lucky, can you see? Oh my god. And if I rip it open, oh my gosh, it's so fluffy and it's so soft. I'm gonna try some. Delicioso. Well, that's all I have for you. I'll be making cheesy mite scrolls in a couple of days, so I'll post a video for that. Again, in the TC Pro M. Can't wait. I'm gonna get so fat because I'm gonna make so much bread. But who cares? I'll see you next time. See ya.